Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 5th chapter Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. In the previous class I have given an explanation, introduction about Euclid's geometry, axiom, postulates and all I have given. Few Euclid's axioms I have given explanation. Now we will see postulates. Euclid's 5 postulates. So a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. So all these things are simple only. Then second one is a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. That is, a terminated line means a small line. If you take a line, it can be extended on both the sides. Then a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. So if you keep a point, we can draw a circle. So that circle also can be drawn with any radius as the measurement. Anything with that we can able to draw a circle. Okay. All right angles are equal to one another. Obviously, if the length of the rays are also different, angle, if we see the angle, right angle, that all the angles will be equal. Then, if a straight line falling on two straight lines make the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than two right angles. Even though it is a very big explanation, in a short if we say, if a straight line falling on two straight lines. So two straight lines are there. Two straight lines are there. Okay. If a straight line falling on, so one straight line, if it is falling on two straight lines, make the interior angles on the same side. Make the interior angles on the same side of it taken together. So if we find the sum of these two angles taken together means if we find the sum of both the angles less than two right angles. So less than two right angles is, right angle is 90 degree, two right angle is 180 degree. So these two angles, when we find the sum, it will be together it will be less than two right angles. It will be less than 180 degree. Then two straight lines. So these two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, when we are producing this, when we are producing these two lines indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than right angles. Very simple. So two straight lines if we take, and if these two straight lines are cut by another straight line, we'll get two interior angles. Those two interior angles, if it is less than two right angles, that is if it is less than 180, on here when we find the sum of these two angles, it will be less than 180 degree. When we are extending these two sides, at some point definitely it will meet. That is this postulate. Okay. Definitely it will meet. Indefinitely it will. At some point it won't meet. Indefinitely when you are extending that side line, definitely it will meet at one point. Okay. Indefinitely meet on that side on which. So this side only it will meet. It won't meet on the other side. Why? Because this angle only will be less than 180 degree. So, since it is less than 180 degree, definitely these two straight lines will meet at one point. Meet on that side on which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. So, these are all the 5 important postulates of Euclid's. Okay.